Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am also fine. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Types of lines, ray, line segment. Okay, today we learn about measure and draw line segment. Today topic, measure and draw line segment. Okay. Today topic measure and draw line segment. Okay, we already learned unit 3 measurement length. Okay, this is same. Okay, so uniform units. So what are the uniform units? Dear students, you know the uniform units. So ruler and measuring tape. So what are the ruler and measuring tape? So these are the uniform units. Okay, students, take a page number 60. My dear students, take a page number 60. Okay, so you already learned unit 3 measurements length. First, we recall the measurement length. Then we move to measure and draw a line segment. Okay, ma. So, what is the first rule? So, both ruler and measuring tape start from 0. You know the ruler? See there. So, this is ruler. So, start 0. Okay. 0, 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. The ruler has 15 centimeter. Start to 0 to 15 centimeter. Okay, ma? So, how to measure a length using a ruler? You know that? So, you already know the measuring tape. Okay? So, this is the measuring tape. So, see there. So, start to 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. Okay. This is measuring tape and this one is ruler. So these all the uniform units. Okay, ma? Do you understand? So this is ruler and this is measuring tape. Okay. So this is used to measure a length. Okay. Okay, so how to measure length using a ruler? Okay, students, you already learned this topic. So once again, we recall. Okay, so keep the 0 centimeter end at the start of the object. Count till you reach the end of the object. Write the measurement in centimeter. You already know 1 meter equal to. Okay, next one measuring tape. Okay, see the board. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, uniform units are ruler and measuring tape. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, ma'am. So now you take the page number 18. Students, you take a page number 18. See the slide, mark. So today topic drawing and measuring segments. So what is the topic? Drawing and measuring segments. Okay. So drawing and measuring segments using a ruler. Okay, so 1 by 10 by 1 of a centimeter. Okay, this is the centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So see the ruler mark. So, see there. So, this is start from 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and etc. So, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, this is 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, you understand, ma? Yes. Okay, students, see the next slide. So this is 7 to 8 centimeter. Start 7 and 8 centimeter. So in between the lines is a millimeter. Okay. So we need a metric scale and a sharpened pencil to draw line segments. So what are the two main tools? So we need a metric scale and a sharpened pencil to draw line segments. Okay, ma? So it is 15 centimeter scale. So see there. So this is 15 centimeter ruler or scale. Okay. So, see there, so start from 0 and end from n to 1 centimeter. So, in between the millimeter, so this is inches. Okay. So, my dear students, so take a page number 80. Take a page number 80. So, how to measure a line segment? Okay. So, measure the line segment. First topic, measure the line segment. How to measure a line segment. Okay. So, how to line up, how to measure a line segment. So, students, take a page number 80. So, take a page number 80. So, measure the line segment. So, for example, I draw one small line. Okay. So, students, see this slide. So, what is the first rule? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on point A. Okay. Keep the 0 centimeter. Keep the 0 centimeter end of ruler on point A. Second rule. Count till you reach point B. Okay. So, see the board mark. So keep the 0 centimeter start. Okay. So second, what is the second rule? So count till you reach point B. So this is A and this one is B. Okay. So this was the second rule. Okay, ma. So read the marking on a ruler point B. Okay. So point B. So next point, write the measurement in centimeter. Write the measurement in centimeter. Now we go to measure the line. So start to 0 centimeter and then B. So count. Now we go to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this line is 8 centimeter. Okay. So this line 8 centimeter. Okay. So what are the main rules? So what is the first rule? see the slide, ma. So first one is keep the 0 centimeter end of ruler on point A. So what is the first rule? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on point A. What is the second point? Count till you reach point B. Okay. Second point, count till you reach point B. Okay. Read the marking on the ruler at point B. What is the second rule? Count till you reach point B. Read the marking on the ruler on a point B. Okay. So third point, write the measurement in centimeter. Write the measurement in centimeter. Okay. These are the main rules of the how to measure the line segment. Okay, ma? Do you understand? So, what is the next topic? Students, what is the next topic? How to draw a line segment. Okay. So, first topic is how to measure a line segment. So, next one is how to draw a line segment. Okay. See carefully, ma. How to draw a line segment. Line segment. Okay. So now we go to move how to draw a line segment. Students, you take a page number 80. Please take a page number 80. So these are the some rules are there. So what is the first rule? Draw a line segment PQ 6 centimeter. So draw a line segment PQ 6 centimeter. So what is the first rule? Place the ruler mark point P at 0 centimeter. First mark point P. Okay. So take a ruler. Okay. Mark point P. 0 centimeter. So this one is 0 centimeter for point P. Okay, ma. So what is the second point? So count 6 centimeter on a count 6 centimeter on a ruler. Mark a point at 6 centimeter and name a point Q. Okay. Count 6 centimeter. Count 6 centimeter on a ruler. Mark a point 6 centimeter and name a point Q. Okay. So next, count 6 centimeter. Okay. See the board mark. So 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So point Q. So this is Q. So what is the last rule? So join points P and Q with a line right 6 centimeter below 8. Join points P and Q with a line and write a 6 centimeter. Okay. So and join a point. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay, this one is 6 centimeter. Okay, so how to draw a line segment? Now, you see the topic is how to draw a line segment. Very interesting topic. Okay, listen carefully. So, what is the first rule, students? You take a page number 80. You take a page number 80. Okay, so first one, place the ruler or point P. Place the ruler or point P. Okay, so at 0 centimeter. So it start to 0 centimeter. Count 6 centimeter a ruler. Okay, first we count 0 centimeter and and count 6 centimeter ruler. Mark a point is at 6 centimeter and name it point Q. So name it point is, what is the letter Q? Very good. So what is the next rule? Join points P and Q with a line right 6 centimeter below it. Okay, ma? So this is how to draw a line segment. So this is how to draw a line segment. Okay. So what are the today topics? So what is the first topic? How to measure a line segment and how to draw a line segment. Okay, ma? So do you understand the topic? Yes. So once again we recall the rules. Okay, what is the first rule in how to measure a line segment? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler and point A. Count till you reach a point B. Read the marking on the ruler at point B. Okay, ma? So, next rule, write the measurement in centimeter. So, these rules are how to measure a line segment. Okay, so using a ruler and sharpen pencil mark. Okay, so next one, how to draw a line segment. Okay, ma? So what is the first rule? Place a ruler, mark point P at 0 centimeter. Okay, ma? So next one, count 6 centimeter on a ruler, mark point 0.6 centimeter at ruler, point Q. Okay, ma? So what is the next rule? Join points P and Q with a line and write 6 centimeter below it. Okay. Do you understand the topics, ma? Yes. Okay. Next we move. Worksheet number 6. Students, take up worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6. Okay, ma. So you take a page number 81. See the slide. You take a page number 81. So what is the first question? So measure the line segment and write your measurement below. Okay, students, I try only first sum. Okay, so other sums for homework for you. Okay, ma. So first sum, A and B line segment. Okay, what is the question? Measure the line segment. Write the measurements below. Now, already we know that how to draw a line segment. What is the first rule? Place your ruler on point P at 0 centimeter. Okay, already we know that. Okay, ma. We already know that. Mark point A 0. Okay. So this is for example P. And what is the second rule? Count. Okay. So second one is measure a line segment. So this is the measure the line segment. So what is the first rule? Keep the 0 centimeter end of a ruler on point A. Okay. So second one, count till you reach point B. Okay. To reach point B. First you draw a 7 centimeter. Okay. So what is the first one? So keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler point A. Okay. So next one, count till you reach point B. Count till you reach point B. Okay. So this is B. Okay, ma. So read the marking on a ruler at point B. Okay. So now we go to count. So this is 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So first one is 7 centimeter. Students, you take a pencil, write the line in line segment AB 7 centimeter. Write fast. You have 5 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you finish, ma? Okay. So, see some. Okay. Now we move to see some. Okay. So, what is the main rules? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on point A. Okay. First we draw. Okay. See the board. Already we draw one line segment. 4 centimeter. Okay. So what is the first rule, ma? So keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on point A. Count till you reach point B. Okay. Read marking on the ruler at point B. Okay. So okay students, next rule, count till you reach point B, read marking on the ruler point B. Okay, so next one, write the measurement in centimeter. First we count the waist. So start 0 centimeter, so point first one. Okay, so this is B. What is that? So this one is yes. So first we point out yes and this is T. Okay, ma? So now we go to count till. So 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So this correct answer is 4 centimeter. Okay, do you understand this topic? So what are the main rules? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler on a point A. Second rule, count till you reach point B. Read the marking on the ruler at point B. Okay, ma'am? So, write the measurement in centimeter. Write the measurement in centimeter. Okay? So, next one, draw the following line segment. Draw the following line segment. See the board. So, what is the first one? Line segment CD 11 centimeter. Line segment. Okay. So what is the main rule? So place the ruler, mark point P at 0 centimeter. So first point is mark a point 0 centimeter. So this is C. Okay, ma? So what is the second rule? Count 11 centimeter on the ruler. Okay. So 11 centimeter, 0 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 10, so 11, this is 11 centimeter. Okay. So what is the second rule? Count 6 centimeter, sorry 11 centimeter on the ruler. Okay. Mark a point at 11 centimeter. So this is 11 centimeter. It's denoted D. What is that? D. Okay. So what is the last rule? Join points P and Q with a line, right? 11 centimeter. So, join points C and B. Okay, ma? See carefully. So, this is 11 centimeter. Okay. So, what are the main rules? Place the ruler, mark point P at 0 centimeter. Count 11 centimeter on a ruler. Okay. So, mark a point 11 centimeter and naming point. What is that? So, D. Okay. So, first point is C and second point is D. Okay. So next one, join points P and Q. Join points P and Q with the line, right? 11 centimeter. Okay, ma? Do you understand the topic? Okay. So what are the main topics today we learn? We learn about measure and draw line segment. So what is the first topic? How to measure a line segment. How to measure a line segment. Okay. So some of the rules are there. So what is the first rule? Keep the 0 centimeter end of the ruler point A. Count till you reach point B. Read marking on the ruler point B. This is second rule. So what is the third rule? Write the measurement in centimeter. So these are the measure, how to measure a line segment. Okay. So what is the second topic? How to draw a line segment. How to draw a line segment. So what is the first rule? Place the ruler, mark a point at 0 centimeter. Okay. Second one, count 6 centimeter or any centimeter, the ruler. Okay. Mark a point in any centimeter, 6 centimeter or 5 centimeter. Okay. So, and name it point Q or any alphabet letters. Okay. So, last rule, join points P and Q or A and B or X and Y. Okay. So, with the line. So, last point. So, write a centimeter. Okay. So, these are the main topics today we learned. Okay. I think today class is very interesting. So, homework worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6, balance sums are homework. Okay, students? You understand the topic? Yes. So, today homework worksheet number 6. Worksheet number 6, today homework balance sum, you do the sum. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye.